Canva is a game changer for anyone stepping into the world of digital marketing. Imagine having a powerful design tool at your fingertips that's as easy to use as a word processor. That's Canva. It allows you to create stunning visuals without needing a degree in graphic design. You can whip up social media posts, presentations, infographics, and even videos in just a few clicks. The drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly user-friendly, and the vast library of templates means you can find something that fits your brand's aesthetic in no time. Now, let's talk about digital marketing. At its core, digital marketing is about connecting with your audience online. It encompasses everything from social media marketing to email campaigns, search engine optimization, and content marketing. The beauty of digital marketing is that it allows you to reach a global audience, and with tools like Canva, you can create eye-catching content that grabs attention. When you're creating content for digital marketing, it's essential to keep your brand voice consistent. Canva helps with this by allowing you to create brand kits where you can store your logos, color palettes, and fonts. This ensures that every piece of content you produce is cohesive and recognizable. Consistency builds trust, and trust is crucial in converting viewers into customers. Let's dive into social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are all about visuals. With Canva, you can design posts that not only look great but also engage your audience. Think about it. A well-designed post can stop someone from scrolling and make them want to learn more about your product or service. Use Canva to create carousel posts, stories, or even ads that pop. The more visually appealing your content, the more likely it is to be shared, increasing your reach organically. Email marketing is another vital component of digital marketing. You might think that emails are just plain text, but they don't have to be. With Canva, you can design beautiful email headers, graphics, and even entire newsletters. A visually appealing email can significantly increase your open and click-through rates. Remember, people are more likely to engage with content that looks good. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is all about getting your content seen. While Canva is primarily a design tool, the visuals you create can enhance your SEO strategy. Infographics, for example, are highly shareable and can drive traffic back to your website. When you create an infographic with Canva, you can embed links that lead back to your site, boosting your visibility in search engines. Content marketing is where you tell your brand story. Whether it's through blog posts, videos, or social media, the content you create should resonate with your audience. Canva can help you design engaging visuals to accompany your written content, making it more appealing and digestible. Think about using visuals to break up text in blog posts or to illustrate key points in videos. In summary, Canva is not just a design tool, it's an essential part of your digital marketing toolkit. It empowers you to create visually appealing content that can enhance your marketing efforts across various platforms. By leveraging Canva's capabilities, you can elevate your brand, engage your audience, and ultimately drive conversions. Embrace the power of design in your digital marketing strategy and watch your efforts pay off.